Not the same when the missus takes a piss.
No.
She's brutal.
Yeah, she means it.
So does Nige, but he just does it in such a nice way. Oh dear.
I think Matey in the Stelvio is expecting us to spank him in a minute.
Yes.
So I do think it would be awfully rude not to.
Oh, you wouldn't want to let him down, would you?
No, fuck me, no. Oh, fucking hell.
Yeah.
That was a nasty pothole.
He's driving in all those potholes to let us pot, isn't he?
Now, entered another fucking universe down there.
Nige is just going to wait for the brow of the hill to appear.
Yeah.
He'll be gone.
When we get up to the garage, we're going to branch off right up the A30. Stay on the 30.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 kilometre away.
I know nothing of fucking kilometres.
So do I.
What's that in real money?
About 2'6".
0.6 of a mile.
He says there it is, there. Oh, these are turning right. What do you want to fucking turn down there for?
You could possibly live there.
Has he got any car seats in there?
No. Sat on the floor.
Your bike sounds lovely, Nick.
That wasn't his, that was mine.
Well,
I was just
had my
about
ear
to
by his
say-
exhaust at the time.
I was just going to say this is a nice stretch of road, and then this twat is going to cock it up. There's a nice long straight bit we'll have him on, but just be careful because there is junctions on the left and right as you go along there.
I didn't even have to put my feet down on that junction.
Beautiful.
I don't know whether this one tells you speed cameras. I don't think it does.
Probably not. But we'll find out.
If it doesn't, we'll bin it.
Stay there, you fucker.
Here we go.
Car coming.
Target acquired.
You got junctions coming up left and right.
Yeah.
Well, I couldn't have done that on a 350 Enfield.
No.
Even if it had a decent headlight, we'd look in the mirror, you'd be so fucking far behind, we think it was a little candle flicking away.
That's right. I don't think Nige would be doing it on his fucking Imperial either.
Oh no, they're good for 80. I thought my throttle was a bit snatchy. I'd knocked it in the Dynamic Pro.
Oh, hark at you, look.
Which is a bit full on.
What mode is yours in, Steve?
Comfort.
2 kilowatts.
None of that electric shit, please.
Sure you don't need a bigger bike, Steve?
Positive. I wouldn't say no to another bike.
Well, exactly. If you bought a Goldwing as well, then you'd have a small bike, technically, wouldn't you?
Technically, I would, yes.
You could use the pan to go out bumbling through the lanes.
Should we all do that? Should we all buy a fucking Goldwing? We can all cruise around like dozing off.
You say that, but they bloody handle. Oh,
yeah, they do. That one that day, Steve, when we come back from Swindon.
Oh, yeah, the 1800 and the KTM, wasn't it?
Yeah, he was scraping all the bloody the foot plates and everything, wasn't he?
Was he?
Yeah, two up.
Oh, He had it really cranked over.
I mean, we were slowing down for the roundabout and he just went straight past us, didn't he?
His poor old missus on the back, hanging on for fucking dear life.
It's either that or she was asleep.
Probably preparing that night's meal, I'd imagine.
Yeah.
Well, that just goes to show how safe they feel, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
You know.
Well, the top box has got armrests that stick out of it, isn't it?
It has, yeah.
So when they're on there, they're actually in it rather than on it.
Yeah, it's like a comfy child seat, isn't it? It's not a bad little market town, is it, this one?
Stockbridge, yeah, it's nice.
We stopped on here and had a wander around, me and my brother, when we went out for a play day.
The only thing you've got to watch is these fuckers reverse out, like, they just don't give a shit.
Yeah.
I say, very nice jacket there, matey.
That's very sparkly, isn't it?
Why would you make your son walk around wearing that?
Maybe it's a tribute to that, what's his name, who just died.
I don't know, but he's higher vis than I am.
That's saying something, isn't it?
Yeah, if ever there was a dad needed a punch in the face, I reckon that was him.
I can imagine you having a row with him and say, how dare you dress your child like that?
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with my Liberace.
Now, layboy's busy, isn't it?
It is. Wonder what's going on.
I suppose they all park there free and then walk into town.
Either that or they're queuing for dogging.
Yeah, there is that. How long have we been riding since we stopped, you know?
I don't know.
No.
It doesn't. We need an app that tells you that.
54 minutes, either 54 or 64. I didn't know whether to say stop at that Mayfly pub on the canal and have a coffee.
Yeah, why not? Then we can change batteries, can't we?
Yeah.
What we got here? Stay there, knob fondler. Look at that, look. Higgledy-piggledy cottage.
Lovely, isn't it? It is nice out this way, isn't it?
It's nice anywhere on the bike.
Yeah, definitely got a point there. I have missed it.
Right, over the bridge, and then the Mayfly on the left.
It doesn't like that.
What?
It's telling me to turn left.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
That's lovely down there, isn't it?
And then you got the canal here, look. And then you got the Mayfly pub here.
Beautiful.
Isn't it?
So, oh fucking hell, not in there.
No.
In that junction.
Must be a busy pub because it's got bloody great car park, isn't it?
I was going to say, fucking huge. Oh look, I reckon that spot there is specifically for us. I'll go on the end.
Yeah. Beep,
On the end.
beep, beep.
This tank is reversing. Well, what are we going to bitch about now? Because I can't bitch about Stegra. It hasn't gone wrong yet.
No, quite.
It did on the way from my house to Blandford.
You'll find something.
I wonder whether you were right and I cocked it up when I was flicking between adventure and...
Yeah.
Not that you're right.
No. God forbid.
I'm not having that. I'm not fucking having that.
Don't worry, we'll scrub that from the edit, don't worry.